this is Steven from Hikway. Nice to see you again. Today I'd like to introduce you a new H265 dual SD card 1080p mobile DVR. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's unboxing it. Okay, in the package you can see here is the video and power cable. Here is the mobile DVR. This is with GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G version. Okay. And here is the accessory box. Okay, let's see it. Here is the GPS antenna, 4G antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, okay, and the keys, okay. Okay, let's see the mobile DVR. Okay, we can see here is the power and video port. Okay, you can see here. We can collect here. Okay, in the cable you can see there are 4 AV in, 1 AV out, and 1 LED cable, and here is the power cable. Okay, and here is the 3 modular ports. Okay, you can see GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G. Okay, here is the I/O cable. Okay, this is optional accessory. Okay, in the front panel you can see here is the 4 LED lights, the power, GPS, record, and the LEDs. Okay, and here is the cover for the SD card and SIM card. Okay, we can use these keys to open it. Okay, let's see it. Okay, and we just slide it. Okay, and you can see here is the SIM card slot and 2 SD card slots. Okay, okay, and we lock it. Here is a USB port. Okay, as our other model, we can use Wifi Direct to collect it for direct live view and configuration of this mobile DVR. Okay, this is the unboxing of this simple dual SD card full function mobile DVR. Thanks for watching. See you next time.